Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. I'm a beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogger, and I always love to find a good deal. So today I'd like to share with you an amazing deal that I did receive. So if you are interested in finding out what I received in my, if I can, flex my muscles to carry this, my spring. So if you are interested in finding out what I received in my Chickadvisor Spoil Me box, then definitely stay tuned. And just a plug too, this isn't sponsored or anything. I did spend my hard-earned money on this, but I highly recommend Chickadvisor. It's how I get free makeup products, and it's a review site, so it's really nice to also see the different reviews that people post. I've been using this site now, I feel like almost for like maybe 10 years now that I think about it. Probably like 8 to 10 years, I'd say. And I've gotten lots of great products from there, but something new that they've actually been doing is they are selling boxes. So brands, probably are scrambling in this economy. So they are selling boxes of discounted products. And when I saw this box, I was like, you know what? I'm actually going to try this because it looks like it's a really good value. So what I'd like to do today is share with you what was in the Spoil Me box and actually break down how much each item was and really determine, was this worth my money? And it is just for Canadians, I believe. They have a little bit of a presence, I think, in the US and the UK, but not much. So the first thing, this actually was a bonus product, but I don't consider it bonus, I got the Garnier Antibacterial Gel Hand Sanitizer. I haven't tried this yet, but it's a great size. I think it'd be really good to put in my car, so I will definitely be using that. The next thing, okay, I had to like rearrange myself here. So that actually retails for $3.49. The next thing that was in here is the Tetley Matcha Tea. I haven't really had matcha that much. I did already open this. It wasn't too bad. I find lately it's been kind of cold, so I've been wanting to drink tea. And I went on Amazon, and these teas are about $3.47. So already, not bad value. And I don't think I mentioned, I actually paid, I think it was with shipping and everything, it was $56.95 that was charged to my credit card. So I think it was about $50 for this box. The next thing that was in here, I actually haven't tried this either, and it is the Batiste Rose Gold. I've used just their normal one, and I think I've used the brunette one, but not the rose gold one. I don't know if it will work for me, but if it doesn't, my mom's a blonde, so I will give this to her. And when we look at the breakdown of this, this is actually $9.99 for this one. The next thing, and I've been really wanting to try this, is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day. And it is a hand soap. The flavor is oat blossom. I think it will smell good. I'm excited to try this. And, hand soap is something that I go through very quickly nowadays, and it's something I'm always going to use up. And this was $5.99. I was really excited about this because I haven't tried this product, surprisingly, but this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. I think this will be nice for the summer. I know it doesn't have, though. Does it have SPF in it? No, it doesn't, but that's okay. I do like Smashbox products. I find the original primer doesn't work the best for me, but you do get a pretty good size. When I actually broke this down, it was about $26 value, because the 30 mil is $52 and this is the 15 mil, so it's about $26 value right there. That is not bad at all. I think it's just the middle between the full size and like a deluxe sample. The next product, I actually haven't tried this, but it looks really nice, and it's the Bioderma Adoderm Ultra Nourishing Anti-Irritation Shower Oil. And I guess you just use this in the shower, apply it on wet skin, then rinse. I think this would be really nice in the summer, especially too. It might be really good for like my eczema. It tends to flare up a little bit in the summer. So I'm excited to try this, and this actually was When you break it down, it was only like $3.30 value, but you do get a pretty good size, I think. I've actually never seen that. There was another Bioderma product as well, and it is the Adoderm Ultra Smoothing Balm. So it repairs and restores lipids, and it's anti-itching. I'm actually not crazy about balms. Like, I don't know if I'll keep this. I might give it away as a gift, or I might try to like, I might put it on my Poshmark. I'm really not sure, but I don't think this is something that really I will use in my body care routine. It is $18.75 value, so, you know, pretty good if you like that product. There's lots of skincare in here. The next thing is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. I haven't tried this, but I think I have so many cleansers. I feel like I'll never use them up. But this might not be really bad to try. I actually haven't tried that many IT Cosmetics products now that I think about it. This, in terms of value, was $9.25. You do get a fair amount, 50 mils, so a decent size. I actually find now I don't really care if things are larger sizes because I'm not using things as much. Maybe skincare, that's about it. The next thing is I got this little sample of the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I actually have a full size. I haven't even cracked open. This is about $15 value because I did it off of the size. So Glam Glow is really expensive, but I think that's actually what deters me from buying Glam Glow products. Some of their products aren't too bad. This is always a good one though. Like, I actually like using it as a spot treatment when I do have a breakout on my face. So many goodies. I can't believe it. The next thing is 2 Essie nail polishes. Well, one is technically a top coat. So this is the Essie Gel Couture in Perfect Posture. I just like this color because it's like a light kind of purpley color. I think it's nice. Definitely something that will be nice for spring, and I do like Essie Gel Couture. And then this is the top coat. I actually don't have this, so this will be good because I have a few of these Essie nail polishes, and I just have never been putting on this Gel Couture top coat. Both of these are each $14, $14.99, so huge savings there. This next product also solidified me in buying this. It is from my Clarins, and it is the Recharge. So the relaxing sleep mask. If you follow me, you would know that I've used my Clarins products before. I currently am using like their beauty spray, and then I used their gel moisturizer, and I actually really liked it. I didn't think I'd like my Clarins, but I do. So I thought the sleeping mask would be really good too because the regular moisturizer really agreed with me. And when we look at the price of this mask is $30. Really good. Like, I actually like I just never reached for Clarins, but I think they really tried to modernize it and make it a little bit more appealing for younger people with this kind of brand that they came out with. We are getting to the end. The next thing I was really excited to try. This is the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Work, Work, Work. I haven't tried the Powder Kiss line. I wish it was a different color, to be honest. Like, where am I going or what am I doing nowadays to wear red lipstick? Not very much. If I do put lipstick on, it's usually like a nude or like a pink like I'm wearing today. Not a red, so I kind of wish it was a nude color, but yeah, I'm kind of intrigued to try the Powder Kiss formula. These are $26, so this is another steal of a deal in this. This next thing I was also excited because your girl loves a treat. This is a coupon for a package of Magnum Truffle ice cream bars. They look really good. I think I might actually hopefully I can use them on the vegan ones because I don't like ice cream. It kind of like irritates me. So I do like vegan-based ice cream because it doesn't hurt my stomach. I think I have lactose intolerance. But this is great. It's up to $10 value, so I might be able to use it, I hope. We got another Clarins product. It is the Clarins Hand and Nail Treatment Cream. I don't know. I feel like I have a lot of hand creams, so I might actually give this away, but it is $15 value, and I'm sure it works really good because Clarins products are just super good. I might give it to my mom because she really likes Clarins products. The next thing, I actually have never tried these, but I've always wondered what they were, and it's these little Elizabeth Arden pods. So these are actually retinol ceramide capsules. I think they should be good. They're a night serum. I will try these because I do like to try new products, and you know, retinol is now kind of like a part of life, so I'm excited to try this. And you just put it all over your face and neck. So they actually gave 2 of these, and when I looked at the value, these 2 together, these are expensive products. It was about $9.33 for 14 capsules, so kind of pricey. I also got this. It is the Soft Lip Slim Hydrating Lip Balm in Coconut Cream. They might not be too bad. They're SPF 20. These actually I think will be really good now that I think about it for the summer, especially where it has SPF 20. I'm probably going to throw these in my beach bag because burnt lips are the worst, and a lot of times people just don't think that you do need to put SPF on your lips, but you definitely do, because your lips burn just as much as I'd say other parts of your body. We're almost done here. This is the second last product, I believe. This is the Thayer's Facial Toner, Witch Hazel and Rose Petal. I've never tried this. It's a lot of people's OG. I've just never reached for it, but it might be... yeah, I might try it out for once. I can always use like a new toner. I'm currently using the Belief one, but this might be a cheaper option. And when we look at this, this is $3.75 value. The final thing, and I feel like I'm ending with like the most unexciting thing in here, is these Revlon Isaac Marazi nail files. And nail files are just, they're always good to have. I actually should throw out the one I have and replace it with these. These were actually $4.79. So you do get a 2-pack. They are cute though, actually. That was everything that I got in the Spoil Me box. A lot of products, a lot of great products too. I think these boxes are really interesting, and I hope they do more. They actually did some mini ones, which, you know, did catch my eye too. I'm glad I bought this. I do think there's a lot of products that I'm like, maybe I will use them, maybe I won't, but I still think I got the value based on what I paid. When I actually added this up, the total value this was worth was $224.85. That is a lot of value in this box for what I paid. So I think it's really great that they do have this. Let me know what items in the box you would be interested in trying, and also if you'd like to see a review or follow up on any of these products with how I like them. And also too, don't forget to check out Chickadvisor because they know how to hook people up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.